This is how to actually grow your glutes and not your legs. Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel where we talk all things fitness education, glute growth, muscle growth, and so much more. It's your girl Remy, and today I'm going to teach you how to grow your glutes but not your legs. Naturally, when you're growing your glutes, your legs will also grow with it if you're doing the correct exercises. A lot of people are really quad or hamstring dominant and they see most of their growth in their legs. A lot of people want to work out and they want to improve themselves overall, meaning grow their glutes, grow their legs, grow their biceps, their triceps. The reason why someone might not want to grow their legs versus growing their glutes is because when you grow your legs and your glutes, you're decreasing that butt to leg ratio. Here's a secret about influencer butts that they won't tell you. Their butts aren't actually that big. If you meet them in person, it's not super humongous and huge. Their legs are relatively small, so they have a huge ratio. When your legs are really skinny and lean, your butt will end up looking a little bit larger, versus if you have really thick legs but you have a really thick butt, they'll start to merge together and they won't look as distinct. Here's how to grow your glutes and not your legs. Compounds are the key to growth, but if we want to grow our glutes and not our legs, we need to pick glute dominant compound exercises. So squat is mostly leg dominant. It focuses on the quads or the hamstrings depending on your foot stance. If we want to grow just our glutes, we wouldn't probably want to be lifting really heavy on the squat because that will also help grow our legs. You might want to do light versions where you do high reps. Glute dominant compound exercises include hip thrusts and hip bridges. By focusing on glute dominant compound exercises, you're still able to up the weight and progressively overload, therefore you're able to build bigger muscles, but you're focusing primarily on the glutes so your legs won't be as big. I've personally done this strategy and I've seen the difference in my glutes, whereas my legs still stay relatively thin. Next, you don't want to stop training your legs entirely because then you won't be able to get to the high weight on the glute bridge and the glute thrust. You want to still train your legs, but try and do lighter weight, higher reps. So you can do more endurance style training where you're doing higher reps. Especially if you are that quad dominant person, you'll have a lot of trouble getting the engagement in your glutes. So if you're training really heavy on legs, you'll probably see a really big change in your legs but not your glutes. Side note, I personally don't recommend training just your glutes just because from a fitness trainer's point of view, I think everyone should train all their muscles, upper body and lower body. It's really your body at the end of the day. So on your leg days, you will primarily focus on your glutes with supporting leg exercises rather than the other way around. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned how to grow your glutes but not your legs. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, do that. Check me out on all my other social medias and I'll talk to you guys in a couple days in my next video. Bye, fam!